What do you call a can opener that doesn't work? A can opener. What is always the same yet always different? A snowflake. Each one is unique. What do you call a group of cows playing instruments? A musical band. What belongs to you but others use it more? Your name. What comes down but never goes up? Rain. What has legs but doesn't work? A table. What's full of holes but still holds water? A sponge. Check my story every day for more.